Assurance Wireless is a government-subsidized program that provides free or low-cost wireless service. Unlike regular retail returns, these returns are tied to your Lifeline eligibility and require a specific process. The key step is obtaining a Return Merchandise Authorization, or RMA. You can get this through their online portal, app, or by calling 1-888-321-5880 within 30 to 60 days of the issue. This RMA is essential for your return. Without it, your shipment will be rejected. You can return phones for reasons like defects, receiving the wrong model, or if you're no longer eligible for the program. Remember, the phone needs to be in like-new condition, and you must perform a factory reset to remove all personal data before sending it back. Assurance Wireless provides a prepaid shipping label for returns, ensuring you don't incur extra costs. This label is typically issued along with your RMA authorization and covers the cost of shipping within the United States. Pack the phone securely with all accessories. Make sure the device is in like-new condition and includes any original packaging, charger, and manuals that came with it. Shipping internationally is prohibited. All returns must be sent within the United States to the designated fulfillment centers provided by Assurance Wireless. Since the devices are often free, refunds usually come in the form of a replacement phone or service credits applied to future bills. If you paid for an upgraded device, you might receive a partial refund instead. Expect the process, including shipping and processing, to take 4 to 6 weeks from when they receive the returned phone. This timeline allows time for inspection and credit processing. Ensure you remain an active Lifeline subscriber throughout the return process. Keep in mind that unauthorized returns can void any warranty on the device.